tips. We are hanging out virtually with local CPA Jeromy Bourque. He joins us now. Jeromy, thanks for being here with us.
Happy to be here. Good morning. Or good afternoon.
Good afternoon. And so, okay, we just kind of filed for 2023 taxes, but it's already start time to thinking about 2024. What do we need to do to get prepared for next year?
Yeah, I have some great tips here for anyone who really felt like, preparing their tax return by themselves or dealing with a professional, if this was very stressful or it just seems like, they were constantly being asked for information. This is a good tip for people like that. Mm-hmm. Anything you had to get, to prepare your tax return or anything your professional asks for during the process of preparing your return, make a list of that. Use a good notes app. Like if you're an iPhone user, the Notes app's great. Mm-hmm. If you're an Android user, OneNote is a Microsoft app that's free and very good to kind of keep a list, and that list be on any device you use. So if you think about it during the year, even if you open up a new account or get a new job, make a note of that so you know to get the W-2 from your old job and your new job, or any investment accounts, you're getting the 1099s for them in preparation for your tax returns.
Mm-hmm. I really like that tip. You never think to keep a list and make notes of everything that happened throughout the year. And I think that's great that we're talking about it right now, since we just finished with 2023 and we need to get ready for 2024 so we're not kind of stressing out last minute.
Yeah, anything to make that task less daunting,
Yeah, absolutely. What other tips do you have for our viewers at home?
If you make any estimated payments throughout the year, make note of those things. Basically anything that relates to taxes or income, make notes of it. Even if it's just like questions for your tax preparer, your CPA, making questions from throughout the year, it's a great way to use that as well. Any kind of notes app to use.
Yeah, Jeromy, these are all great advice. We have about a little bit left. Is there any other last minute advice for our friends at home?
Mostly, we're talking today about reducing stress, right, and making this a less daunting task. So other tips I would have for that are, again, just use notes. I mean, continue to document this information, gather information throughout the year, and just be less, just think of it less as a chore or a compliance thing and a big scary thing. If you're organized, you're prepared, you're less stressed. Yeah,
and I'm sure the more you do it, the more you'll remember to do it. So build a habit. Now, Jeromy, as always, thank you so much for hanging out with us virtually.
Happy to help.
Of course, if you at home, you want to learn more, head to our website, kadn.com. We're going to post Jeromy's interview right there for you. And guys, we do have some breaking news.